Today we are talking about a tool that helps you to handle videos from start to finish without needing many separate apps. If you create content, run a channel, or make videos for your business, you know how hard it can be to record, edit, and even turn this piece into text. Many people use multiple tools just to finish one video, which takes extra time and effort. Wondershare UniConverter offers a way to perform all these tasks in one place. In this video, we will review it so you can understand what it does, how it works, and whether it might be worth using for your projects. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and content creation journey. Today we are reviewing Wondershare UniConverter, a tool that helps you record screens, edit videos, convert formats, and even transcribe audio to text with simplicity and power. I also placed a special offer link in the description that helps you to get bonuses or discounts when you sign up. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using that link, any available offer that will be applied automatically, so you get your benefits easily. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, what is Wondershare UniConverter? In simple terms, it is an all-in-one video toolkit that helps you to record videos, edit them, convert to the different format or compress files, and even transcribe this piece into text. If you imagine collecting many tools like screen recorder, video editor, converter into one software, that is the idea behind UniConverter. One of the first useful feature you will see is the screen recorder. Many beginners need to record tutorials, product demos, or live presentations. UniConverter Recorder lets you capture your screen and webcam at the same time. You choose the area of the screen and you start speaking, and the tool captures everything clearly. This is very helpful if you make training videos or software walkthroughs because you don't need a separate recorder. After recording, you can move to the editing. UniConverter's video editor gives you basic editing tools like trimming, cutting, merging clips, adding transitions, and interesting text or music. The editor is simple enough for beginners who want quick results but also give enough control for more refined work. You do not need to learn the complicated software, it guides you step by step. Another important part is format conversion. Video often need to be saved in different formats depending on where you will upload them. For example, you may want MP4 for your channel, MOV for presentations, or WEBM for web pages. UniConverter supports many formats and lets you convert the videos easily with just a few clicks. This is helpful if you get the videos from others and need make them compatible with other platforms. Sometimes video files are too large, especially when captured in high quality. This makes them hard to share or upload. UniConverter also has the compression feature that reduces the file size without losing too much quality. It helps you to save space and make upload faster, which is especially useful if your internet is slow or your platform has the size limits. Now, one of the features many creators love is the transcription tool. When you record videos or have existing clips, turning spoken words into text, that can be time consuming if done manually. UniConverter can convert this speech to editable text automatically. This helps you to create subtitles, captions, or scripts quickly. Subtitles improve your accessibility for your audience and help the viewers who rely on text when watching videos in silent mode or different languages. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some advanced editors may miss very deep features like multi-layer timelines or special effects found in high-end programs. But for most businesses, content creators, and beginners who want strong results with less learning curve, UniConverter gives a complete set of tools that cover most of the needs. So in simple word, Wondershare UniConverter is a tool that helps you to record your screen, edit your clips, convert them into different formats, compress the file size, turn this piece into text, all from one place. It saves time, it keeps your workflow organized and help you to produce high quality videos even if you are new to the video creation. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more simple tool reviews and video creation tips. Don't forget to use the special offer link in the description to get your benefits automatically. So that's it basically for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.